Hi Pooja,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you Pooja?
I'm fine. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good Pooja. This is Aruna from Quality Department Pooja. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. Before starting that, first of all, congratulations for your placements Pooja.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself, your earlier studies, hometown?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I'm Pooja Maitri. I'm from Belgaum, ma'am. I've completed B in Civil and M.Tech in Structures from KV Sheshagiri College of Engineering Technology, Belgaum itself.
Okay, so how did you get to know about CMTI Pooja?
I got through Google. I used to search a few of the institute like this, ma'am, regarding this. So I got to know through online.
Okay, so what and all you learned in CMTI apart from your syllabus? What was the new thing you learned in CMTI?
Many things I've learned, ma'am. Actually, majorly practical experience I needed, ma'am. Few like site visit helped me a lot during this program. So, and apart from that, major some things which I had not learned in my MTech also. Few things I learned like bar bending schedule regarding construction and interiors also. So it was overall good. It was very helpful.
Okay. Okay. So, what about your site visits and all, Pooja? How was that?
Site visit was very helpful, ma'am. Actually, we got to know exactly how the sites, the buildings are actually regarding interiors also. So we got more exposure to the practical things, ma'am. It was really good experience.
Okay. Then, like, how was the trainers?
Trainers
So,
were
whether
very good.
they were
Yes.
clearing your doubts? So, totally, how was their approach?
Approach was very good, ma'am. All are very friendly actually. They used to if we asked any doubts, so they used to clarify it at that moment only. So all were very helpful, ma'am. It was very good.
Okay. So, what about CMPI app, Pooja? How did that help you?
It was very good, ma'am. The missed sessions I used to watch it in your app, so it helped me a lot during interviews also, ma'am. It was very good, ma'am. Overall.
Okay. So, how was your interview process, Pooja? How did you crack the interview?
Yeah, ma'am. Interview was very good, ma'am. Few yesterday, sir had also told about how to attend the interview. So Ashok sir had told. So we just used that, and we yes, it was very helpful to crack today's interview, ma'am.
Okay. Then, what about CMTA staffs, Pooja? How was their approach throughout the process?
Yeah, they were very friendly, ma'am. Whatever we asked, they did not deny it. So they just did it at that moment itself. So it was very good, ma'am. All are very friendly. They were good.
Okay. So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Pooja?
Yes, ma'am. I would surely recommend them to come to this institute, ma'am, because this is a good institute to learn many things regarding like practical and everything, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Pooja. Thanks for your feedback. I wish all the best for your future. And once again, congratulations for your placements, Pooja. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.